Oh yeah.
Whoa! This is awesome! Oh my goodness.
Whoa. It's so round, it's not that heavy. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god, that's really cool.
I like the way it sounds. It looks good. It's very nice.
It's amazing.
Oh, that's what am I gonna spend? Like $460?
It starts at $200.
That's doable.
Well, guys, buy it. It's really cool.
From Edison's times to our days, the lamp socket didn't change at all. 138 years have passed, but we still twist. What if we say that game has changed? You don't need to twist anymore. Just one click. Introducing the Mag Bulb, a revolutionary system which consists of two parts and allows installing bulbs in one click. And it's all because of magnets, of course. With MagBulb, you no longer need to push and twist the bulb in awkward lampshades. No more extracting broken bulbs using special tools. No pain for people with arthritis. And all those sufferings happen to you when you're balancing high up. Stop it now and start using MagBulb.
Hi Kickstarter, here at Barista & Co we couldn't be more excited for you to be part of our crowdfunding debut. Our team have worked tirelessly over the last 2 years to come up with our most innovative coffee maker yet, and we want to share it with you first. Our market research identified consumers want to make great coffee without having to follow complicated methods or buy expensive tools. With the help of professional baristas, we spent months exploring different brewing techniques and mechanisms to find one that made consistently excellent coffee. Countless sketches, 3D drawings and prototypes later, we have turned our idea into a reality. Introducing the Twist Press. The Twist Press is incredibly versatile. You can brew a coffee to anyone's taste depending on the way you brew. You can change the brew time, the coffee to water ratio, even the twist speed. There are hundreds of combinations you can try. Our unique helix design and twist motion generates increased leverage and makes this brewing method a lot easier than our competitors. We're confident you'll want to use your twist press for every brew, so we've added a storage compartment for another 3 servings of ground coffee, so you can enjoy great coffee anywhere. The twist press combines an immersion method with rapid filtering to ensure even coffee extraction every time. Its plunger forces a pocket of air and hot water downwards over ground coffee through a filter and into your mug, resulting in unique flavour profiles and an unparalleled brew time compared to other methods. Here at Barista & Co, we've gained years of experience developing a range of coffee makers for both home and professional baristas, so you can be assured your funding is in good hands. Kickstarter, this time we want you to be part of the journey with us. We want to give you the first opportunity to get your hands on the twist press with exclusive rewards you won't find anywhere else.